Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's here by Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with a true banger for you guys. Today we will be talking about one of the most anticipated TGEs. We will be talking about WELL3 official, and we will be talking about their launch, as you can see, guys, and about their claim that is set for July 3, so tomorrow. I'm dropping this video today, so you can get ready, because it's listing at 10 UTC, guys. Save the date for real, because this thing can send. Okay, so before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into this video, guys. So let's watch this quick little video about the claim. We'll talk some statistics, some facts as well, how the public sale sold out, because it was also pretty crazy, to be totally honest with you, and that's why I think that Well can literally do well. So honestly, this has huge potential. We'll see obviously how it runs after the listing, but the hype is definitely there, and a lot of people are waiting for this TGE. As you can see, they have 600,000 followers, guys, as well on their Twitter, so if you are not already following them, then go ahead and follow them. They have two websites, well3.com and well.eco. So let me talk you through what actually this is. First of all, you can see their website, breath to earn, complete one of the wellness activities in the early access stage, claim your well and relax by breathing, earn dollars in Web3, gain XP to earn well during the early access period. The higher your level, the more rewards you earn. And then you can also extend your circle of Zen by inviting friends using your referral code, earning mutually beneficial rewards and soaring up the early pass leaderboard together, guys. So let's jump into the main website, change for better, live well together. So you might already understand that this is about wellness and blockchain. So it's a pretty cool concept. I really like it. It's a definitely unique concept. I don't think that I have seen anything similar before. So they are definitely pioneering when it comes to this concept of living well, and also getting paid for living well, which is literally like perfect perfect win-win situation, guys. So what is their mission? Well, their mission is to enhance well-being through secure data-empowered health journeys. So by leveraging deep in blockchain and AI analytics, WELL3 ensures a personalized user experience that is securely authenticated, while fostering a community where millions unite their pursuit of well-being. And then, guys, that TGE, as I said, this is one of the most anticipated TGEs due to the uniqueness of WELL3 brand in Web3, because WELL3 really offers the full spectrum of wellness and blockchain, okay? And these include the best of wellness to earn, AI-driven personalized wellness recommendations, and deep in and DID, making it a one-stop solution backed by a community of over 1 million people, guys. So the public sale, okay, let's talk about the public sale, because as I said, this is one of the most anticipated TGs, and as I said at the beginning, this sold out and made some crazy results. So guys, the public sale was a major success, and in just 7 days, the 24-hour public sale registered a total value locked of 15,237.2 Ethereum, so that calculates to roughly 55 million US dollars, guys. And furthermore, however, an additional 8 million more was able to be raised through seed rounds and NFT sales as well. So all WELL3 products have performed exceptionally well. So for example, the WELL3 public sale, obviously over 15,000 Ethereum in this 24 hours. Then they also have the yoga pets, so they also run up to 1 Ethereum FP, so that's cool. And they are also within NFTs. They also have the King's Genesis with 20 Ethereum. They also have this Well ring, so they are really doing a lot here. And WELL3's innovative use of deep-in rewards users with Well tokens for sharing anonymized health data, creating a vibrant and incentivized community focused on wellness, guys. So, as they say on the website, WELL3 is the leading Web3 wellness platform that revolutionizes health data management by transforming it into valuable rewards. By harnessing our decentralized physical infrastructure network, DeepIn, which many of you might already be familiar with, and decentralized identity, which is the DID that I talked about, along with sophisticated AI analytics, we engage users with surprise airdrops and rewards. Okay, let's see what is this? Okay, what is this? Well ID? Okay, what is Well ID, you might ask? We will get into Well ID in just a moment, guys, but also I wanted to talk more about the integration with Deepin. So the integration of Deepin bridges the gap between digital and physical wellness using smart devices like wearables, so for example the Well Ring, to track health metrics and reward healthy behaviors, guys. WELL3 has established premier partnerships as well with brands such as Animica brands, which you also are probably familiar with. We had a video on them as well. Samsung, AWS, Spartan Group, Fenbushi, Sol Capital, Newman Capital, and many more, guys. And in pursuit of interoperability and seamless user experience across multiple chains, WELL3 has formed a strategic alliance with leading chains such as Polygon, Mantle, Base, and many more networks. The Well token itself acts as both a utility and governance token within the WELL3 network, which essentially embodies the core principles of wellness, health, and governance. And over 920,000 users have registered for the Well ID and whitelist for the WELL3 Ring, which is a pioneering wearable that converts personal wellness metrics into real on-chain data like you've never seen before, guys. So before we jump further into Well ID, let me give you some more additional info, guys. There have been over 17 million transactions that have been created on WELL3 since it came to fruition. WELL3 is also strategically positioned to capitalize on the booming $5.6 trillion global wellness market, projected to grow 5 to 10% annually, with wellness apps alone expected to generate $6 billion in revenue by 2027. There is a significant opportunity in this space. So they are really in the space and in the industry that can lead them to a major success, especially on the blockchain, because as I said, they are pioneering, they are doing something that nobody else have did before, okay? And this in itself really enhances their chances to grow big in this space, you feel me? And the market size for Deepin is also estimated to be around $2.2 trillion. So projections indicate that this market will also continue to expand rapidly, reaching approximately 3.5 trillion by 2028. So the market is really here and it's huge. So let's talk about the Well ID, guys. So Well ID, your secure decentralized digital identity for wellness. So this will be essentially your identity. You have data decentralization. Health data in Deepin's trusted execution environments ensures privacy and security, with DID ensuring secure storage and user control. Then you also have the wearables, which we just talked about. So for example, the Ring, and Deepin in itself ecosystem for secure decentralized health data management. Moving on, we have the tokenomics of the Well token itself, which is the major thing for tomorrow, guys. I'm dropping this video in literally like 1 or 2 hours from recording it, so probably few thousand, or well, like 20, 30, maybe thousand views I hope that will generate, or even more than that. So some of you can already be familiar with this token before it goes up. Huge. So we will see how it goes, obviously, but I honestly think it has some crazy potential. So guys, Well Tokenomics allocates over 71% of tokens to community initiatives, including rewards and linear airdrop unlocks, to promote extensive engagement among loyal adopters and contributors. And during the TGE, a moderate float of 5%, which is 2.1 billion tokens, is allocated for liquidity to ensure trading stability. And this approach supports a sustainable and thriving ecosystem, underpinning WELL3's long-term success. What defines us? 5.6 trillion wellness market feed, premier product development. Well, true, really true. That's what I also talked about. They're crazy numbers that they have generated, as well as their wearables, you know, their ring and all of that, and the token itself, because the token, guys, it is not only utility token, it will have multiple, I mean, it's not just a token, it is utility token. It will have a lot of use cases. As they say, it drives their ecosystem. Users earn well by sharing anonymized health data. Tokens unlock premium features, personalized health insights, advanced analysis, and health products and services, and this structure ensures a user-focused business model. Then you also have their key data and achievements, from which I got some info for this video. So 900,000 real users joined platform, 530,000 plus unique wallet addresses, 55 million TVL, $17 million transactions created on WELL3, and over 300,000 NFT owners. So if you are missing out on this, man, damn, like, shame on you, you feel me? But obviously, guys, do your own research, do your own due diligence. You know, everything in this crypto space, you need to obviously take care of and be sure that you want to jump in. But obviously you can still watch, and if you think that it performs well, or if you like the concept, you can jump in, or you can just follow it and see how it runs. So phase 2, guys, this is current roadmap phase: investment opportunities, token launch, promotions, collaborations with partners, and they will be also attending Dubai Token 2049 event. Pretty cool. Well, ID rollout as well. Phase 3, we are looking at partnership growth, WELL3 wearables as well, rolled out, which is cool. And phase 4, deep in framework implementation and partnership expansion, and that's when they will drop more updates for the roadmap, which I really like, because they can stick to those plans that they currently have for each of these phases. Once they are done with that, they can basically, which I think they already have planned, but they don't want to maybe like put it on the website so they don't overpromise something. You know, they can strategically think about the roadmap and roll out the further update. So you have their strategic partnerships that I just told you about. Huge names here. As you can see, you have the Animoca brands that I said. You have Samsung, many more, guys. So they have the partnerships, really. So if you are interested in well, guys, if you are interested in wellness in itself, if you want to check out or seek for a token that is basically new, that is pioneering, that has a huge potential, then you can tune in, check out the links in the description and see what it all has to do with it. And guys, if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, whether you are jumping into WELL3 or not. I'm curious to hear your opinions, and thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.